Karmann Mobil Dexter 540, that's the name of this camper van I have in front of me. This has a very small footprint, and that's the sort of thing that you might think about before buying something like this. This is going to cost in excess of 62,000 euros, but that small footprint, 542 by 205, has got an outer height of 281, and that is definitely so far so good, because the length is similar to many cars and the width is just a bit wider than most cars. Well, maybe just a bit more than just a bit, but what it's got here, which is particularly interesting, got this large double bed in the back, which has been contoured to allow for the washroom. Here we have got a large for bear in mind the size of the thing, wardrobe. Really is large, and you can take this bottom bit out, give you more space. That, congratulations to Karmann Mobil. That, in my opinion, is really good. Indeed, I think I'd have taken it all the way to the bathroom, and that would have saved this this bit here. There might be a reason why it doesn't go all the way to the bathroom, but I don't know what it is. Here we've got more storage, use up to the maximum, deep storage in there, and it goes all the way to the back, so it uses all the way to the corner. Excellent, very good. And up here as well. That's all very good so far. Look, I'll show you how the thing works. Oh, so it's on now. I took the lights on. What's happened here? Yeah, well, can't get any more lights in it. And this is the washroom in here. You know what I think? I think this is an enormous washroom. I really do. It's 541 centimeters in length. Let's see if I can lift this duckboard up, if I can. Look at that unusual shape. Mind you, it's only got one drainage hole, and it's a tiny one at that. That's a really negative point. But I do like the shape of the duckboard and the place to have a shower. It looks like I'll even come in here, see if it makes any difference. See if I can get in. There's me. I'll show you in the mirror maybe. There. Okay, right. Still have a bit of height. I know it's rather close. And skylight, bit of storage. Oops. I think that might be broken actually. On its way out. There's the sink. That needs a bit of attention. Mirror here. The table, okay, well, bear in mind it's 541 centimeters long, so you can't really expect too much of a table, but you are getting quite a bit of a table, because this table will get even bigger by putting this thing here out. Also, there's a forward-facing bench, and you can sit on there whilst talking to whoever you're with over here. We've got this skylight. There's all of this space above the cabin. There is storage here. Let's come to the kitchen. Well, you can't expect too much, but you're getting reasonably spaced out hobs. You could potentially use both at the same time, which isn't always the case in vehicles. Okay, this tap's a bit daft there. Better if the tap were inside, but in what I'd have to say for a vehicle of this size is a large sink, and it's got a proper drainage hole. So this is brilliant so far. Open this up. Oh, that's stiff. Yeah, for your knives and forks in here. Well, this is not so brilliant as the I do prefer sides to the the drawers. As you move along in your motorhome, things shake around. They move, you might have piled it up nice and neatly inside clothes, but then what happens is they fall down the sides, and you can't get the thing open, and this is what happens. So that's why I prefer proper sides. And if the people who built these things actually use them, they would know that. Here we've got this fridge, which is clever and opens both ways. So if you're outside, you can open it up from there as well. And here we've got the plug and shore power plug. So now I've got the lights on, we've got the hookup working, we've got more light in here, and we can see it even better. So what I'm going to do is now I want to show you in the full light the full glory of the vehicle. But there's always got to be something wrong, and in this case it's not this. It's not the heater, the tumor. It's this. It's just a sticker. I haven't seen that before. It says 15 litres maximum you can carry. But the point of a camper van is to make you independent. And if you're only carrying 15 litres of water, how long's that going to last? You know, if you've gone out for going to a campsite, doesn't make any difference. I mean, in fact, you know, we go to a campsite, what do? We fill up at the campsite. We don't take a stack of water with us from home unless it's already in there. But you know, I'm going to leave the campsite I'm at the moment. Then I'm going somewhere and they've got water, so I'm not going to put any water in it. And then I'm going to the next place. Well, eventually there's going to be somewhere where there is no water. And certainly I've just spent about 6 weeks this summer. I wasn't on a campsite at all. Hey, I had not only did I have my water tank full, I had additional water on me, and that is a bit of bad news. And that is a big bit of bad news. 15 litres, 2 people in the van. You know, that is a severe rationing situation, in my opinion. Not good at all. I'll have to find out the reason. So I'm going to ask about it and see what the excuse is. You've got a water pump there for your 15 litres, and you've got there, that's your water dump. Here is an external shower. Good for getting the dog clean, and just before she walks into some more mud. Storage there, great. This shelf is superb, I think, for separating stuff at the bottom from the stuff at the top. But do note, however, you wouldn't be carrying, well, I suppose you could carry a bicycle. You can take that thing at the back out, but no, I think that's asking too much. Putting a bicycle in something like this. And here we've got 2 gas. So you have that lasts for ages, unless it gets really freezing cold, in which case you can expect the heater to work on one tank for about 3 days. I mean, that's at full blast, just under 3 days full blast, so 6 days. But it really is full blast. I mean, if you don't sort of let it drop at night, then it's going to be much less. Okay, what else have we got here? I wanted to tell you the water, but I can't give it to you. The water tank, I believe, is 90 litres, but it's not written anywhere. So anyway, it's off the top of my memory. There'll be some more details in the description below, and I hope. Sometimes I fail to put the details into the description below, but if it's there, if it's not there, then right, it's not there, and I'll sort that one out as soon as I get a chance, because while some places like this I can't really sort it out. Thanks for watching. All the best from me in Germany.